Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's kitchen. I'm Farhanda and today I'm making Vietnamese style fresh spring rolls. Packed with fresh colorful vegetables, these rolls are a healthy alternative to the fried ones. Besides the vegetables, I'm adding shrimps as well. So I'm using raw shrimps, but if you wish you can use pre-cooked ones. I have taken 500 grams of raw shrimps, peeled and deveined them and then added them to boiling water. I'm going to cook them in the boiling water for about 2 to 3 minutes until the color changes to dark orange. You can replace shrimps with boiled chicken or just leave them out completely. After cooking, we will set them aside to cool. And while they are cooling, we will prepare our sauce. For that, we will need 3 tablespoons of smooth peanut butter, half a teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, half a cup of hot water, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, juice of 1 lime or 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. To make the sauce, we will add the peanut butter to the hot water. Using hot water helps the peanut butter to dissolve easily and we get a smoother sauce. And then we will add the rest of the ingredients: the lime juice, brown sugar, chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and half a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. I'm not adding any salt to the sauce as I'm using soya sauce, but if you wish, you can use salt according to your taste. And then we are going to mix all the ingredients thoroughly until all the lumps are gone and our sauce is ready. To make the rolls, we will need 100 grams of very fine rice noodles, also called rice vermicelli, some rice paper sheets, some iceberg or any kind of lettuce, some cooked shrimps, handful of cilantro, half a red bell pepper cut into strips, 1 small cucumber sliced with a potato peeler, 1.5 cups of shredded carrots, 1 mango also cut into thin strips, and some purple cabbage. If you wish, you can use the green or the red one. To prepare the rice noodles, all we have to do is put them in a strainer and cover them with boiling water. They don't need to be cooked. Left in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes, they will be perfectly done. After we drain the noodles, we will set them aside to cool. To assemble our rolls, we will need some lukewarm water and add it to a shallow dish. And place 1 rice paper sheet at a time in it for about 10 to 12 seconds until it's soft and pliable. If the rice paper sheet stays in the water for too long, it will become a big blob. Then we will lay the softened sheet very carefully on a clean and flat surface and start adding the fillings. I'm starting by laying a piece of the lettuce leaf about 2 inches away from the border and then adding the rice noodles, the shredded carrots, sliced cucumber, strips of red bell pepper, some purple cabbage, fresh cilantro, and the sliced mangoes. And then add 3 pieces of shrimp. I did cut them into thinner slices. And then we will start wrapping our rolls starting from the top. They're just like the other spring rolls. Just wrap the top over and then start rolling them very tightly. Bring the sides in and then roll them until it's all rolled up. We don't need any type of glue as the wet rice paper sticks to itself. As we are making our rolls, we need to keep them in a damp cloth, otherwise they will become dry and break. We will make the rest of the rolls in the same way. You can add the ingredients in any sequence, it doesn't matter. We need to assemble these rolls just before we are ready to eat them. If left for too long, they start to fall apart. To serve, you can cut the rolls diagonally into 2 pieces and serve them with the sauce. After cutting them, you can see how colorful they look from inside. To store the leftover rolls, we will have to pack each one of them in a plastic wrap and they will stay in the fridge for up to 2 days. We will also need to oil the plate that we are going to serve in, otherwise the rolls stick to the bottom and when we pick them up, they break apart. And there you have it. Our Vietnamese style fresh spring rolls are now ready to be enjoyed. Do try this recipe, I'm sure you're going to like it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. By pressing the bell icon button, you get notifications for my upcoming videos. Enjoy!